feel free to change slide whenever
Yeah.
you want now, Anders.
I'm trying.
But you're looking at the time like, oh shit.
Yeah, we can talk forever about every simulation here, of course. And this was like a funny one because the demo was made by you in the autumn. And then we thought a little bit, compared, did some benchmarks to other software. And then we bought our first licenses in May, I think 2024 it was. Yes, in spring. And then we thought we were, as always, when you're new to something, hey, now we can do everything. And it was so easy because Krista showed us. So let's do a crazy as a packaging line with a lot of components coming together, being in sub-assemblies and material handling and humans in the loop. And there's a truck coming and robots on linear motion. And so I think this it's like, when we discussed this, if you're renovating a house or if you're buying an old house, you have no clue what you're starting. And then when you're in it, you just have to solve it. And to be fair here, it's crazy that we managed a lot of support from you in parts, how to do it. But in general, we managed ourselves to build this system.
I think the last time I supported you on this layout, it was 2 robots. Maybe 3. So I have never seen the scope what you were able to do here. It looks amazing. But I guess if I ask you, would you do it again? You would say no on this one.
This is, I can't imagine how we managed. We had some good guys here that are competent.